Early in my career as a psychologist, I was asked to give a presentation at a conference, and I refused. I was too afraid to speak up in public. And the meeting planner put her hands on her hips and really looked like she was full of disbelief and said, "But doctor, isn't fear your business?" Whew. I was exposed. It was like the facade of my professional degrees faded just like that right in front of me. I know what it's like to be a professional woman and hide my brilliance, to hold myself back and not step into opportunities. I also know what it's like to go on this inner journey to find my voice. And I know as professional women, it may be hard for us to admit that we have problems, that we're afraid to actually be more fully expressed out into the world. But it's true. I know that that was me at some point, and I know that that could be you at some point also. So what I've done is design a training program. It's called the Voice Your Vision Training Program, where I do work with people to support them to go into this inner strength that lies at the bottom of the essence of who you truly are. So it's not about developing a good speech, so to speak. It's more about being comfortable knowing your authentic self. So that's what the journey is about. Find your voice, change your life.